Then tournament. Yesterday we saw something about tournament. We saw about the knockout or elimination tournament. Okay, and today we are talking about the topic games. So let's begin. Games is also as important as the topic tournament because you can see that in 2017 there was a question asked on games. It was a chessboard question. Okay. Just a moment. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so in this topic, games and tournament, games part is equally important as I told you because we saw that in 2017 there was a question asked on games. Okay, until now, like in the last few years, 2 3 years, there have been no questions on tournament yet. Okay, so solving games question can be very much difficult sometimes because all it requires is logic. Okay, there is no formula, there is no format available to solve it because the question on games can be formed on any type of game, right? And it can be any virtual situation as well. Okay, they might form some virtual game and then give you a question on that. So there is no way that you would be knowing anything about the game or anything. Even if they give you a question on a known game, still you don't have to use your own information about the game and only stick to the information provided in the question. That is very important. Okay, even if you have little or no knowledge about the game, you can still be able to solve the question just by sticking to the information and analyzing it logically. Okay, so we'll see a few questions today. So these are the examples: relay race, Sudoku game, any board game, any card game, picking coins, anything like any virtual game they can form a question on. Okay, so we'll see some examples. Let's see this problem here on games. Okay, so actually it's a question on games plus it's a puzzle question only, right? But it's based on game. Okay, so in an hostel event there are 7 students who participate in a badminton competition in which each player plays exactly once against 6 of the other players, each of the 6 players. Okay, which means A plays with B, C, D, E, F, and G. So except themselves, they are playing with all the other players. So how many total matches will be there? Do you have any idea? How many total matches will be there? So each of them are playing 6 matches and there are 7 of them. 7 into 6 is 42. So are there 42 matches? No. Why? Because when you count 42, you are counting each match twice. When A plays with B and B plays with A, you can't count it as 2 matches. Okay, it's just 2 people playing 1 match. So 42 divided by 2, there will be total 21 matches that are played, and each of them still will be playing 6 matches each. Okay, so there are 21 matches. The other way to find that is, so it's a round robin concept, which means everybody plays with everybody. You can see A plays with B, C, D, E, F, and G. So when you count for B, if you are again counting A, C, D, E, F, and G, so you are counting this match twice, right? A, B, and B, A. That we don't have to do. Okay, so though each of them are playing 6 matches, still it will be 6 into 7 divided by 2, because each time we'll be counting like 2 matches for a single match. So like here you have taken BC here. Now when you take for C, if you again write B, then there will be again, you will be again counting it twice, right? If you again write A here, you will be counting these matches twice. So therefore 6 into 7, everybody plays 6 matches. There are 7 people. 6 into 7 is 42, but you have to divide that by 2, because in these 42 matches you have counted each match twice. Okay, so we get total 21 matches. The other way to solve it is the formula. It's called 7C2, NC2, where N are the number of players. Okay, so the number of ways, what does 7C2 gives you? It gives you the number of combinations, the number of ways in which you can pick up 2 people randomly, uniquely out of 7, right? So the number of ways in which you can do that are the number of matches that will be played. Excuse me. Are the number of matches that will be played. So what is 7C2? 7 factorial, 5 factorial, 2 factorial. 7 into 6 into 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 2. 2 threes are, so 7 threes are 21 matches. Okay, so from both ways we have got the answer as 21 matches. There are total 21 matches. Then what is given? So the event starts on Monday and finishes on Wednesday, and an equal number of matches is played on all 3 days, which means 21 divided by 3, there will be 7 matches on each day. Okay, each student won distinct number of matches. So out of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, each of them won distinct matches. Means what will be the different distinct matches that will be there? So you can see the highest win that can be there is 6, because everybody is playing 6 matches. So if someone wins all the 6, that will be the highest win. Okay, if somebody wins 6 matches, it means the other person will win 5, because this person lost 1 match to this person. Next will win 4, because this person have lost 2 matches to this and this person. Similarly 3, 2, 1, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So these are the 7 unique scores that will be scored by these 7 people. Okay, 7 distinct scores. Okay. So then what is given? Each student won distinct matches, and on each day there were 7 matches, because Monday to Wednesday, 3 days, 21 matches. So it will be 7 on each day. Then information have been given for Monday, for Tuesday, and for Wednesday. You need to use the information and figure out which matches were played on which day out of 21, and who won or lost them. These are the things you need to figure out. Try it. Try the question. Okay, let's see. So here we'll write down the matches that were played on Monday and whoever was the winner. Tuesday, winner. Wednesday, winner. Okay, let's take the matches. F loses to C, D, E, and G on Monday. Okay. F loses to C, D, G. What was the other one? F loses to C, D, E, and G. C, D, E, and G on Monday. So who is the winner here? C, D, E, and G. Because F have lost to them, right? So the winner will be C, D, E, and G. 4 matches are already done for Monday. There are 3 more to go. Next. Only one player who is not C wins more than one match on Monday. Okay. One player wins 2 matches on Monday. And that one player is not C. Wins more than one. Wins more than one on Monday, and that player is not C. Next clue we have is for Tuesday. B wins against C, D, and E. B wins against C, D, and E. Who is the winner? B, because it's given B wins against these 3. Okay. Next. E loses to A and C. E loses to A and C. Who is the loser? E. So who is the winner? A and C. And then it's given last clue. G wins exactly 2 matches on Tuesday. G wins exactly 2 matches on Tuesday, but then it is not mentioned whom does G plays with. Okay, it is not given whom does G plays with, but G wins exactly 2 matches on Tuesday. That we have to figure out whom G plays with. Alright, next. Wednesday, G loses to B but wins against A and C. Wednesday, G loses to B but wins against A and C. Okay, so B will be the winner here and A wins against A and C, right? So G will be the winner here. Okay, again, next clue is D wins against C and E. D wins against C and E. And last clue is F loses to A and B. F loses to A and B. Okay, so everybody plays 6 match. You can see that F have played all its 6 match, 4 on Monday and 2 on Wednesday. And in none of the matches F is the winner, which means F is the one who lost all its match. Okay, here because it's given that all of them should have distinct number of wins, right? So we are going to also figure out who won or lost how much. So FBC have 0 wins. Okay. Next, if you look for A have played one. Okay, can you tell about this? Whom does G plays with here? So see, G have already played with F here, and G plays with A, B, C here, and so the G plays total 6 matches, right? And 4 are already done. That is with A, B, C, and F. So who are the two people left? D and D, which means on Tuesday G would have won against D and E. Okay. So how many matches have been won by G? G have won here with F, with A, and with C, and with D, and with E. So we can see G have won 5 matches out of 6. Okay, G have won 5 matches out of 6. And what about B? B have won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can see 5 matches have been won by B as well. And 1 match for B is yet to play, and that is with A. Okay, B have played with F, B have played with G, with E, with D, with C. So only with A it's remaining, and that have to be here then. A and B will play the match, and who should win? It will be B who wins. Otherwise, B and G will have the same score. Otherwise, if A wins here, then B and G both will win 5 matches each. So that should not happen. Everybody should have distinct wins, which means what should happen here is B should win, such that B have won all 6 matches. Okay. All right. Then who else? Talk about E. E 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So E have also played all its 6 matches, and E have won 1. That's it. E have won just 1 match. All right. What are the number of wins left? 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and 4 wins are left. If you look at C, C have played 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C have only played 5 matches. 1 match is yet to play. What is that one? What match is that? So C have played with F, with B, with E, with G, with D. So only with A it's left. A and C have to still play. And since C is not the one who wins more than 1 match on Monday, this match would have been won by A. Okay. This match was won by A because C can't win 1 more match. C have already won 1 match against F on Monday. So now all 6 matches for C are also over. And what are the results? C have won 1, 2. 2, that's it. Okay, C have won 2 matches. Now we are left with only A and D, and the scores are 3 and 4. Okay, 3 and 4. So someone out of A or D will win 3 matches, the other one will win 4 matches. Okay, so also if you see A and D have not played together yet. See here, D have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 matches played, and none of them with A. So it's A and D who plays this last match, and the winner we have to figure it out. So let's see. None of the matches end in a draw. Only one player who is not C wins more than 1 match on Monday. Who wins the highest match in the event? Who wins more than 1 match on Monday? If you look, both D and A are there in the option. Okay. So what's given on Monday? There is one person who should win more than 1 match, and it have to be exact. You can't It can be either B or A. You can't say that. We have to find the exact answer. Okay, so D, if you see, D have won 1, 2 and 3 matches till now, and A have won 1, 2 and 3 matches till now. So one player who is not C wins more than one match on Monday can be A. Okay, with that, A will have 4 wins and D will have 3. So that everybody can have different wins. Okay, we'll take this. So now we'll see the questions. Who wins the highest number of matches in the event? It's B. B wins the highest. Who wins more than one match on Monday? It's A. Okay, option 3. Prince, a friend of B and D, didn't participate but watched all the matches of the event except the ones that took place on Monday. How many times did he see either B or D winning a match? Except on Monday, right? You have to start from Tuesday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 instances where either B or D have won matches on those 2 days. Okay, so answer is 7. Last question. On how many days during the competition does at least one player win more than 2 matches? More than 2, okay? So you can see on Tuesday B have won 3 matches, which is more than 2. And that's it. No one else have won more than 2 matches on any of the days. So the answer is just one player. Option 2. Alright, so that's it. This is the question we have seen. Now we'll end this class, and before we do so, I'll talk something about Unacademy Plus. So if you are preparing for CAT 2020 and if you still haven't enrolled for any classes and are looking for the best option, then you can go with Unacademy Plus subscription. Okay, which involves the subscription model involves all live classes. So you'll get access to all the live classes that are available by all 20 plus educators. Okay, and those are available in structured courses. So you can just like once you take the subscription, you get access to all those structured courses, and you can choose like which courses you want to attend and just enroll for them. Okay, then there are live tests and quizzes available. So the mock test and the unlimited number of quizzes are there. So there will be no scarcity of content for you ever till your CAT preparation. You'll not, like, the content is so much that I don't think you'll be able to solve it all. Okay, so then you will not have to go here and there looking for content, looking for questions, and so you'll have enough to practice, and you get all of this at like just 1/6 of the market price. You can check it here. For 1 month it's 3,500. There are other options available: 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and even 24 months for someone who is planning to like prepare in advance for 2021 CAT. Okay, and this is not the final price. Let me tell you, you still get a further discount of flat 10% by using my referral code, which is Riya.yt. Okay, Riya.yt. You can see when I apply the code, the prices get slashed down by 10%. Okay, so you get the 12 months course for 15,750, which is I think the most reasonable course in the market, along with like classes and mock test and everything included. Okay, for a year. So you get like 52 in a year means what? You get like 52 mock tests, because the mock tests are every week. So 52 mock tests plus access to all live classes. You get to choose your educator. You get to choose your timing. The classes starts from 7 a.m. in the morning and goes on till almost 1 a.m. in the night. So it's up to you if you are working or studying and only have time during the early morning part or late night part, then also you have like classes available for you. And if you want to study during the day, there are enough classes available for that as well. So you get to choose your educator, you get to choose your timing, you get to choose which courses you want to study. Like, it's all up to you. Okay, and at almost 1/6 of the market price. So you can definitely decide on that. You can research a little more, and if you want to enroll, you can use my referral code, which is Riya.yt, to get an extra discount. Alright, so that's it. Because if you see just mock, if you are planning to buy just mocks from anywhere, it can cost you around 5 to 7,000 just for the mocks. So you can decide then what makes sense for you. Alright, that's it then. We'll end this class over here. Thank you very much and all the best. I'll see you tomorrow.